Hi guys, this is Rafael Blanco and now I will show you how to use this product. Its name is Drops and you can find it in my profile in internet. So the thing I'm going to explain is how to use the PSD Drops Creator with Actions version number 1, which is a Photoshop action which help you to create these small drops of water so you can place them in a design if you want. So the first thing we will do is open Photoshop. I have it already open, and take care that you have the proper files downloaded from internet. So here I have my main file, and also I have a directory with some actions. So the first thing we will do is in Photoshop, before open our file, what we will do is to open some panels. For example, layer panels. So I will going to put it here, and action panel, which I'm going to place here, and also I'm going to open history panel, which I'm going to place down here. This is just to help my explanation. So the next step is to open the main file, which I have it here. This is the main file, and you have to use it as a drop creator. So you create your drop here and use the drop on a design. So you're not going to create your design and create your drops there. No, actions only works properly in this file, and then you will see why. So the next step is load actions into the action panel. So I will go into this drop down menu, option load actions, and this is the action. I have it here. The name is drop for me. So we choose drops for me action, click on load, and you will get this. This is easy. The first thing you have to take care is that use reset action every time you want to create a new drop. For example, I can use it right now. Click here and click on play, and I can start without problems. If you want, you cannot do it for the first time, but every time you will going to create a drop, please use that. The second thing is create drop is the one will going to help you to create the first drop, and finish drop is the one which will going to help you to finish your drop. If you don't use this one, you will not going to get your drop properly. And shape 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are custom shapes that I offer to you so you can have an idea of how can you shape your drop. But it's better if you shape your drops manually. So the only thing you need to do is have a design. For example, I have a design here which name is base. Oops, sorry. This design I'm gonna open here, and the thing is I'm going to place drops over this design. So I'm going to my main file, and what you have to do is take your selection tool, the elliptical one, and create a selection. After you create your selection, you go to your action panel and select create drop. Choose create drop and click on play, and let Photoshop to create your drop for you. When Photoshop finish, as you can see, your brush tool is selected, and the thing you have to do is something like this. You have to shape or draw the way lights are going to appear. For example, I'm going to do something like, I'm going to put a little bit of light here, something like this. Oh, oops, something like this. and I'm going to put some bright here, something like this, 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 and this. So this is the bright of my drop. When you finish adding your bright, you go to finish drop and click on play, and that's it. This is your drop, so you can use it in your design. After create it, you can go to your design and place your drop there. You can click on resize and you just put your drop in the place you want. For example, I'm going to put this one here, this one here, and maybe this one here. I'm going to put it small because smaller is better. Maybe I will put that one here, that one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. Another one here, smaller, something like this. Another one here, and another one here. So there are some drops. Now, if you want to create a different shape of your drop, I'm going to save this in my history panel so I can so to avoid wasting time. So I'm going to save this here, and if you want to change the shape of your drop, you just pick, after using finish drop, you can pick shape 1 and click on play, and then you will get something like this. So this is the first shape. You can use it in your design and place it in whatever place you want, and in that way you can play with this if you like. Something like this. I think it's too small, too big, so something like this. And this is very funny because if you take this and turning into a intelligent object, you can put it in the size you want. You can, for example, you can put that here and use your deformation tool, and you can play with this. So your drop seems to be over this, something like this. So then you have that one there. If you want another one, you just put it here, and you just start playing with this the way you want. So I'm going to do something like this, and I'm gonna put one drop here, maybe another one here, another one here. I'm gonna do something like this here. That's it. And I'm going to use my history because I want to restore my shape, and then you can use shape 2, which allow you to create this one, which I like so much because it's like a water drop in a surface, so you can use that. And I recommend you to put that thing like a intelligent object, which is better. You can put that drop here, something like this. Well, and this one maybe here, but smaller. So the thing you have to play with this until you get the result you want. So maybe you can use that one here too. Maybe this one here, here, that's right, and something here. Yeah, I'm going to restore my shape with my history, and then you can try shape number 3, which is this one. Very nice too, I like it. You put that here too, and this one you can, I don't know, the other day I was playing with this. You can do something like this, like putting this here, messing with this in this way, putting this here, something like here and here, something like this. This one has problems, so I'm going to put it here. That's it. And I'm going to restore again, trying shape 4. Shape 4 is this one, which like is going down, so you can take this and put it here, and you just play with that until you get the result that you want. Maybe this way. And the last one is shape number 5, which is this one. This is nice because it's like the drop is on top and it's going down, and this one is one I create because I thought if you place these drops down like here, the design can get like better. This one here. If you don't like the way the drops going is here, you just deform it, and that's it. And that's it. As you can see, this is the result of the drop, and it's very nice, very useful. I hope you like it. And there is another thing, if you don't like the way the drops looks, for example, you can take this one and apply a Photoshop filter that we have here, which name is I think is distortion, and you can play with this and your bubble can change. And there is another one here which name is no, I don't remember. Those distortions, you can play with this, and this distortion will help you to get better results. Or also you can use just your deforming tool, so you can shape your drop the way you want. Sorry. And after this you can play with shape number 1, and you will get nice results. So that's all. When you finish and you want to create another drop, you just have to click on reset, and the file will start as it was in the beginning. So that's all. This is the result. I hope you like it. I hope you understand, and if you have problems with this product, just let me know and I will try to assist you. So this was Rafael. Thanks for watching. Thanks for writing. Thanks for buying for my buyers, and thanks for contact me when you have problems with this product. So that's all. Thanks.